Hello, what's up, bozos and minorities? It's me, your clown, Alex Boom Boom, back with another makeup tutorial. Oh, yeah, I'm making a video. Hello. So, this tutorial video, we're gonna tone it down. Get it? Tone it down? Anyway, besides the funny joke, I do have one problem with the fire department. Make it 3. No, first, why don't you let me in your little calendar? I know I'm very sexy, so come on. Second, that bill you gave me, I don't like it. It was way too much money, and it was an accident. Why are you charging me money? Third, how am I doing arson if I'm making a makeup tutorial video? Let me know. I guess I do look pretty good with my hair like this. Do it more often. Oh yeah, right. I do have to make this video really quick because I have a plane to catch to Paris. Yeah, in a few hours, so let's go. Makeup tutorial time. Oh, okay. So, first off, let's start with a primer, shall we? Now, I like to use the Luna Azul. Now, fun fact, Luna Azul, right here, Luna Azul means tequila in Spanish. You can kind of tell from the subtitle underneath. Now, I enjoy pouring myself a shot before I do the makeup because I feel like it improves how the makeup looks. So let's pour ourselves a little bit of juice and take a nice long shot of our primer. Let's put that back on. Remember, it's always important to put the lid back on your alcohol. Ah, that's good primer. Well, now that we sufficiently put on our primer and injected it into our body, we are going to start with my favorite thing. What is that? I need to go check my notes. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I brought my favorite thing ever. What is it? Cream cheese. That's right, we're doing the foundation. And you know what? I love it. This may seem like ordinary cream cheese, but guess what? It's not. Now, what is cool about this cream cheese? I'm gonna tell you. It is dehydrated and Himalayan cream cheese from the Himalayas. That's right. Dehydrated Himalayan cream cheese. Dehydrated Himalayan cream cheese. I think it works perfect. It does wonders for your face. Now, usually, people use a brush. I got mine right here to apply my cream cheese. Now, look at this baby. I love it. Just look at how sleek it is. Now this is the 2-inch 50 millimeter mini brush. I got this at Home Depot for about $5, give or take $3. So we're just gonna apply some cream cheese. Oh my God, that smell, that noise just takes me back. And now that we have our cream cheese, we're gonna start applying it to our face, like so. Oh God, that feels so nice and cold. Perfect for this hot day. Now, make sure you use up all this cream cheese because it doesn't grow on trees. Look how nice my body looked. Wow, it really brings out all the clowny features that are coming out with this amazing cream cheese. I cannot recommend it enough. You gotta go out there, you gotta buy dehydrated Himalayan cream cheese from the Himalayas. Do not buy it from China. I made that mistake and that was a sad day. My face swelled up. Everything was ruined. You know what sucks about being a clown? People think you want to do birthday parties all the time, but they won't come to your birthday party. What the f is wrong with that? I think I look pretty good. I think that's about enough of the foundation for now. Now, I like to use a natural blush. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm blushing now. I love to blush, and I do it very easily. Some people, maybe it's a little bit harder for them, but if you're like me, you're just gifted with natural blush. Now, if you are one of those unfortunate losers who does not have a natural blush, don't worry, I'm here to help you. With this kitchen knife, it makes blushing very, very easy. Oh, I guess you can't see my face, can you? Everybody likes to see my face. Where's that knife? So, the one thing you do with this knife, it's quite easy. Let me see. Here, this is a leg. This is my leg. If I wanted to add some blush and make my cheeks really pop, I would use this knife right here, and maybe just just jam that right in, and it feels so good. Look, see, it's all the way in. Let me just pull it out. Look right there. There's some blood. It's perfect. Now you can add a little bit here. Add a little bit here. It looks great. You know. Oh, I just dropped the knife. Silly me.
I didn't think this through enough. We can Photoshop the knife into your hand, but how do we Photoshop blush onto your face? That's going to be a lot harder.
Well, it's pretty damn good if you ask me. So please, leave a comment below if you want to ask me. Okay, well now, since the blush is amazing, because I know what I'm doing, we gotta add the little bit of blue that goes on my face. You see, right now, there's no blue at all. And that is a problem. Especially because I cannot see the camera without my glasses. But do not fear. I will use the power of jump cuts to to be, I don't know, somewhere else. Welcome back, bozos. We were just outside. Now we're inside. And look at that great job he did. Wow. You know, guys like that don't grow on trees. So, you know, pick them while you can. I think I'm going to use him from now on if I can find him. Oh my god, I look good. Oh shit, there's one thing I'm missing. My glasses! Now, I usually get the ones at Lens Crafters. I think they're called Calvin Klein or something like that. Maybe like that's an offshoot of Calvin and Hobbes. It's like their southern branch or something. Let's go to Lens Crafters! But first... one more. And what were we doing again? Oh yes! Let's go to Lens Crafters!
Clowns, very legal. Hot clown boom in your area. Horny clown sluts are ready to meet you. Go down on a clown. This could be you. These clowns need it bad. So ask yourself, are you ready for some fun?
Clownmasturbation.com. Click it, big boy.
We're back! As you can see, hey, we're back in home. Well, we had fun, look didn't fucking we? beautiful.
I
love
the way
amazing
I look.
I
Look
look.
at this.
Ooh.
This
is art.
I look hot.
And hopefully you too have become an artist. Which is great, because I need to go catch my plane to Paris now that I have to go to. It is good, because I'm going to go to Paris right now. Please subscribe, please like, and most importantly, oh fuck, I just fucked this whole thing up. See the new Boom Boom show coming when it's done.